Coulee Council on Addictions recently announced their plans to build a new recovery building. News 8's Eric Jacobson joins us with the details.
Lisa, the organization offers education, prevention, early intervention, and recovery support for those in the La Crosse and surrounding areas. Next year, the group plans to open a new facility at a location still being negotiated. It is expected to double the organization's space and provide even more resources for those battling addiction. For nearly 50 years, Coulee Council on Addictions has provided a welcoming place for those in recovery.
It may be the initial phone call saying that they're ready and where can they go, and so we can walk them through the steps and resources and help them find their way to recovery.
The group has 30,000 interactions with individuals each year, but their current facility on West Avenue,
The current building we're in is more than 100 years old.
is lacking the space needed for the community.
Right now, more than 50 support group meetings are held at Coulee each and every month, and we've had to turn away support groups that are looking to hold additional meetings because we just have the one big meeting room.
This week, the group announced plans for a new 13,000 square foot building, doubling the space for those struggling with addiction.
The new building will provide additional space, additional meeting rooms, but it will also provide inviting spaces for our drop-in center.
Dr. Chris Eberlein, an emergency room physician at Gunderson and member of the Heroin and Other Illicit Drug Task Force, says it's welcome news in the fight against drug and alcohol abuse.
The community really has to be vested in this problem if we're going to solve it, and things like Coulee Council on Addiction is just another tool to help improve the health of our community.
The group says community support for the project sends a message, not just to the organization, but for those in recovery.
People recognize that what they're struggling with is a disease.
The organization tells me that the project will cost just below $3 million. So far, about $1.5 million have been raised. You can always learn more about how you can help on their website, couleecouncil.org.
When do they hope this new building will open?
Well, they hope they open the new facility in late spring to summer of 2018, just in time for their 50th anniversary of being in La Crosse.
Okay, so a little more than a year out then.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much, Eric.